Hey guys, Thunder here. Welcome back to a brand new video. Today, playing NBA World on Roblox because I haven't played Roblox in a minute. And if you got a problem, deal with it. GG, my guy. Get off the fucking court, bro. You lost. Oh man, man. Get off the court. Actually, I'm kind of rusty at this game. I haven't played in like, I don't know how long. Yeah. So, if I'm trash, and you guys played this before, don't roast me. Cause if you do, I want you down and kill you. I'm just playing, guys. I didn't even say the curse word. Oh yeah. All right. Alright. Hold up. Alright. Come back. Let me hit you. We finna do this 1v1. Alright, we finally got a game. Let's go. I'm trash. I don't know what the heck is wrong with this, but whatever. Yeah. Poof. Alright. If I lose, I'm gonna cry. If she doesn't possibly lose, I'm gonna cry. So, yeah. Prepared. Be prepared. Come here. Come here, boy. What was that? What was that? Bro, alright. One of us are done. Let's go. Wow. Yeah, I really am trash. And I was wide open too. Hey, I was wide open too. Dang, it's like she's not even dribbling anymore. Dang, it's like she missed now. Hold up, let me dunk. Let me dunk. Ass here. Bring that ass here. Okay. Hook up. Hey, come here. Goodbye. It's GG. I spoke too soon. Come here, boy. 360. Ooh, snap. Oh, snap. Pulling up with the crossovers. Okay, I see you. Thanks, brother. Ha! Yeah, ups and down. Totally forgot. Thanks, brother. Hey. Nah, let me hit it from 3, and I missed that. Hey! We hit those. Come here. not here. Here. And here, there. Take the wall. Okay. Alright, you get those. See you. Let's step bounce out with that. What do you mean? It's GG. That's GG. That's game. That is game, bro. That's game, bro. GG. See you next week. Alright, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please leave a like after this game. Alright. This is the last game. 2 games. Yeah. This is it. Hey. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle. She is sore loser. I mean, I'm a sore loser too, but dang. Thanks for the ball, though. We hit those. What do you mean? We hit those. We take those. We grab those. We don't hit those. Come here. Making threes now. We're making threes. We hit those. Apparently we don't. Alright, let's do this. Come on. What the Thanks. See you next week. Yeah. Alright. Here. What? You're a hacker, bro. Hey, I see you. Mr. Bounce Out. Come here, boy. I got you looking one. We hit that. Oh my god. You thought like shit. Ooh, come here. Damn. I'll put this up now. Ooh. Come here. Give me those. Alright, come on. Dang. Alright. You ain't gotta do me like that now. No, it's GG. Since you did that, it's GG. Never mind. I lied. I lied. I'm a liar. Okay. Like, just how I said I was gonna upload a lot of videos. Yeah, I'm a liar. Alright. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please leave a like. And I'll see you guys next time. Sorry this video was so short. Alright, peace.